Whew. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a xenomorph from Aliens, or Alien and Aliens the movie. We're going to go over the Xenomorph Head, and that's it, okay? Fun, chill, very beginnerish lesson, and this channel, I'm going to keep it active through the year, and I'm going to go over how to draw monsters of every types, from movies, from all kinds of stuff, anything scary. So absolutely throw in your suggestions, and I will make them happen, all right? Let's jump into the Xenomorph Head. Instead of the very end, I'm going to do something that'll tie it all together. So the drawing at least line up. Right here for the front of the head. Top of the head is smooth, so it's going to be relatively easy to kind of do that part. It's just like a large curve. Down. Curve back. Down over here. Curve underneath. We're still doing the top plate right there. Up. Down over here. And there's a lot of different ways to design the xenomorph. You can throw some curved lines around the sides of it here, like a tube. And it can curve back here. It can have a lot of kind of different things, especially along the side. The top of the head is almost always usually smooth. Sometimes ridged or something like that. It just kind of depends. You can curve a line here, curve a line here, curve a line here, curve a line here, curve a line here. Pulling in. But let's do what really makes it stand out. The mouth over here can throw teeth. And try to throw teeth a different size to make them look more organic. Line down for the opening of the side of the mouth here. Line over here. Out. Out. For that little mouth that comes out the front and the tongue. Then we're going to go down here. Back over here. Up. Line over here, line over here. And that's kind of where the neck starts to pull back into itself. You have this neck kind of pulling in. This bone's big to little. There's a lot of versions of him where he has these plates as well on his shoulder. Almost like a armor or something. He's like organic. And you can pull his arm out over here. You can put the back of his body about there, so. And he has this cool look in the other one where he has these like tubes coming out of his back as well. Over here. Down, down. Pulling in. Line over here. This area right here is going to be mostly organic, so you can throw lots of things over here, maybe like lines or just essentially striations here from his neck. That can also be something as well. And we can go in to draw a little bit more of his structure over here. So for example, I can draw a thicker line around here because there's a shadow coming from the top. over here. Gonna fill in the mouth right there so that it kind of shows that there's like a back and the front. Also gives the drawing just a little bit more dimension. You have to kind of take that into account. And you can thicken up some of these lines at the bottom here because I don't want to fill this entire character in with black, which you can because he is colored that way, but it's such a hassle and it might kill the marker right now, so I don't want to do that. So what you're doing is I'm just kind of like throwing in more and more of these little details, and you're gonna find that that's a thing right here with a lot of the monsters that we do. It's gonna be a lot about like, okay, the general design's easy. It's all the little intricacies and the little like folds and the craggly stuff that really makes the monster become a monster or become something scary. You know, a lot of that is in the craggliness of it. It's not so much. It's a very different than drawing like a, you know, like a design of something else. You're working out all these little organic shapes because so many of these guys are made of organic, right, material. That so many of these monsters are made from it. Anyways, that's it. Hope this is a one version. I'll draw a bunch of different versions. Just let me know. But give me ideas and what to draw, and I will absolutely make them happen. Okay. Let me know. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video. All right? See you later. Ooh, also, I forgot to tell you, like I said, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification for stuff like that. I'm going to keep posting the whole year, so I really want to hear your feedback, all right? See you later. Hit that share button, too. That helps a lot. Later on. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later. And hopefully I'll catch you over there later.